How to share screen on video call Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to share screen on video call in Instagram. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now go to the chat section and open the conversation with whom you want to share screen with, or you can also open the individual's profile and tap on the message button. Now, once you have opened the conversation, go ahead and make a video call by tapping on the video call icon on the top right corner. Once the video call has been started, tap on this particular icon you see on the bottom center of your screen beside the microphone icon. You will then see the option for screen share. Tap on that, and with this, the screen sharing on video call in Instagram will be started. So this is how you can share screen on video call in Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.